Hi, good morning, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about one of your math assignments called the function machine. So, in the function machine, you put a number in and you get another number out. That is the function that you will be using. So, every time you put something in, you mix it up and you use the function to determine the new number. It's kind of like a pattern. So I'm going to show you today with my handy dandy function machine. So the function that I'm going to show you using this function machine is every time I put a number in, I'm going to add 1. So that means my function is plus 1. So it's going to change my number by 1 more. So for example, in my function machine goes the number 1. I'm going to put it in the function machine. I'm going to add 1 to it. What comes out but the number 2? Because 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay, so next time I'm going to put the number 2 in my function machine. Is 2 going to come out? No, because remember my function is plus 1. So 2, I'm going to put 2 inside my function machine. Dun, 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 dun. He's coming in. What number is going to come out but the number 3? Because 2 plus 1 is 3. It's kind of like a pattern because every time I'm applying my function, which is plus 1. So when I had 1, I got 2 out. When I had 2, when I put 2 in, I got 3 out. When I put 3 in, all right, there's my function machine. Dun, 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 dun. 3 is going in my function machine. What number is going to come out? What is plus 1 applied to the number 3? Dun, 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 dun. I get the number 4. Do you understand the pattern? All right, let's try one more, and then we're going to change the function. All right, so if I put 4 in, it's going inside. What number am I going to get out? 4 plus 1 is 5. Are you guessing this? It's not really guessing. You're just applying the function. All right, so now I could change the function. That's the second part of your assignment. So I'm going to change my assignment, my function. There goes plus 1. I'm going to change my function to minus 1. So I'm not going to be applying the function plus 1 anymore. I'm going to be applying the function minus 1. Okay, I'm still going to put a number in, but I'm going to get a different number out. So, for example, if I put the number 5 in the function machine, what number am I going to get out? 5 minus 1 equals 4. So 5 minus 1 equals 4. So I put 5 in, 4 came out. So I'm not applying, 6 didn't come out. Why didn't 6 come out? Because my function is no longer plus 1. It is minus 1. All right, so if I put a 4 in to the minus 1 function machine, 4 goes in. What's going to come out? Do you know? Is it 3? Did you guess 3? You're right. So if you put 4 in to the function machine with minus 1, 3 comes out. All right, what if I put, let's do the last one. What if I put 3 in? What do you think is going to come out? Do you know? All right, The 3 is going into my function machine. Bye-bye, 3. What are you going to change into? You're going to change miraculously inside my function machine to the number 2. All right, are you following along with the pattern? So your learning target today is to apply the function +1 to some numbers that you choose. And then you get to choose your own function for the second one. I chose -1. Do you have to choose -1? I saw some people choose +3. So, but every time your number goes in, you're going to change it by the function that you chose. All right, I can't wait to see what you come up with. All right, I hope to see you guys later today at our Mother's Day Zoom too.